Hello guys. Welcome my channel. This channel about car price, car news update, car interior and exterior, car detail review and all automotive the world. Please subscribe this channel, like and comment. Thanks you. Ford's North American product comms head told CarBuzz, due to high demand, we are now fully reserved on Maverick Hybrid. Ordering will reopen next summer. That will be any consumer's next shot at the pickup, which will be a 2023 model year offering. We're not surprised this is how things are going. More than a decade ago, when Mahindra planned to bring a small non-street legal pickup truck here, plenty of comments hinted at the demand for the kind of rugged, compact pickup that quit the market with the former Ford Ranger. Such demand never found an outlet until now. And when we drove the Maverick, the combination of buyer hunger, a quality small truck, and an unbeatable price led us to end our review with, the big question is, can Ford build these things fast enough? For the Maverick Hybrid, fast enough isn't as fast as shoppers would like. First deliveries of the 2022 model could happen as soon as this month. Meanwhile, the non-hybrid Maverick is still available to order. It doesn't get the same fuel economy, obviously, but it does pack more power, offers all-wheel drive, and has a higher tow rating.